So this is some word here, and now you know maybe in Chinese many words have their measure word, right? And it's different. Do you know that? So I will show you the measure word for this food here. And when we say noodles or the dumplings, we will say a bottom, right? So we can say if you want to see the rice or the noodles, we say 一碗. 一碗 is the measure word. So first one, 一碗 is the measure word for rice or noodles. 一碗面条. And 一碗饺子. Yes. Okay, so 一碗面条多少钱? Can you try to answer me? 一碗 is the measure word for rice or noodles. It means a bowl of something. Yeah. A bowl of something. So 一碗面条. Yeah, you can also use it. Yes. And 一碗饺子多少钱? Yes. 一碗臭豆腐多少钱? Yes, very good. Okay, so maybe you are 3 person to go to eat the rice. So 3碗米饭多少钱? 对，3碗米饭15块钱。It's the number and plus the measure word, and then plus the noodles or rice or anything. So it's 3碗米饭. Is the word here, and then we plus 多少钱. So 3碗米饭多少钱? Yes, very good. That's correct. Okay, this is the one for a bowl of, and also like coffee, milk, or the tea. It's 杯. So like 一杯. So it means a cup of. So 一杯. So 一杯牛奶. Yes, and 一杯咖啡. And 一杯茶. Yes. Okay, so 一杯咖啡多少钱? Yes. And 两杯, 两 is 2. 两杯. So when we use 二 to describe something before a cup, like cup, we can say 两. It means 2, like 两杯. So 两杯咖啡多少钱? Yeah. And 三杯茶多少钱? Yes, very good. Okay, so this is 1 and 杯. Do you have any questions? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。